And Delhi on Tuesday recorded its biggest single-day spike with nearly 4,000 cases. 3,947 new cases were reported, taking the total cases to 66,602. This is the highest single-day tally for any state so far. The previous record was by Maharashtra at 3,874 cases on the 20th of June. The Delhi government's new Delhi COVID response plan says that every household in Delhi will be screened by the 6th of July in containment zones where there should be a review and redesign by the 26th of June.
उसके बारे में सारी डिटेल्स कल या परसों में स्वास्थ्य मंत्री जी रिव्यू कर रहे हैं, आपको प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस करके सब कुछ बताएंगे.
And let's quickly go back to my colleague Sukirti, who's tracking this latest detail as well. Sukirti, here too a political war between the centre and the state, where the state seems to suggest that if you want testing for all, and then there is a rule imposed that all the positive cases will have to go to a centre to get themselves, tested perhaps, and then they will be released, is creating great chaos. In fact, it will go against the very spirit of getting everyone tested.
Well, yes, the procedure and the protocol here involved over here is that if you test positive for assessment, you will have to go to the COVID care center. What was happening earlier is that if you've tested positive and you're sitting at your home, the district medical officials will call you up. They will ask you questions about whether you would want to choose home isolation, what's the level of symptoms you have, do you need hospitalization, and based on all of those answers, depending only if your condition is severe, you would be taken to a COVID care center or a hospital. Otherwise, you could just continue to stay at home. What is going to happen now because of this new procedure is that irrespective of what is the intensity of your symptoms, you will have to go to a COVID care center. You will have to line up there. Each and every COVID positive patient will have to line up there, and then their assessment will be carried out by the district medical officials on whether home isolation will work out or whether it will be hospitalization.
But Sukirti, I think the reason why there is a pressing urgency to look for newer ways is that only now we are now reporting on the screen right now that Delhi has now crossed 70,000 COVID positive cases, and these cases are steadily rising. So what exactly should be the best strategy going forward? We did hear Manish Sisodia saying that this is not the time for an Amit Shah model or a Arvind Kejriwal model or an LG model. It should be a combined model. What are the problems being faced in coming up with a composite strategy?
Well, yes. Specifically with going to COVID care centers, the problem is that on a daily basis, like you just mentioned, Delhi has crossed the 70,000 mark. You were mentioning yesterday's figures that about 3,900 cases. Similar figures today have also just come in a few minutes ago, 3,700 cases or so. So at a point of time when there are nearly 4,000 cases being registered on a daily basis, how are 4,000 people expected to line up at COVID care centers, queue up over there and increase the risk for not only for themselves that their symptoms will worsen, but also expose others to the to the spreading of the disease? And that is what Mr. Sisodia has been against. He wrote to the LG earlier. He had requested the LG to call a meeting of the Disaster Management Authority. That didn't happen. He did not get any response. Now he has approached the Home Minister. There have been differences in the past as well on mandatory quarantine of 5 days. That order was withdrawn, and now this has become a matter of controversy. But so far, the Delhi government has not been getting any response, neither from the LG nor from the Home Minister.
All right, Sukirti, many thanks for joining us with all the latest.